Hello, myself Mr. Amit Kusnare. Through this video, I am to give a simple trick to draw BMD for the column. For this, I have considered example of a portrait frame. This portrait frame is formed by means of this column and beam. My concern in this video is to give you a trick to draw a Bendwin diagram for this column only. Okay, but actually in the previously uploaded video, I have explained a purely technical way to draw a BMD for this portal frame. Okay, so in that I have explained to draw free BMD. Next I have explained how to draw BMD for the beam. Okay, so my concern in this video is to give a trick to draw BMD for the column. Okay, suppose if you want to watch my previously uploaded video, you can watch that video. Just click on the link which is provided in the description box. Now come to the trick of how to draw BMD for the column. So now just consider a column, just break that column at midspan. Next, just at that midspan, just provide an internal hinge. Of course, the property of the internal hinge is it allows rotation. Okay, now this is the direction of the moment. The direction of the moment is clockwise. Okay, so this is just act as a pendulum. This is a free end. Okay, so this is a moment acting in a clockwise direction. Okay, so it is pushing on this side, so we have diagram drawn on this side. Okay, so again this is the moment, this moment is going like this. Okay, it is going like this, so this arrow is pushing to this point on this side. Okay, that's why diagram draw a diagram on this side. Next part is to put a sign convention, that is plus and minus sign. So this portion is the inside of a portrait frame. Inside take positive, outside take negative. Likewise you can complete a BMD for the column. Okay, so just simple trick is that this is the moment is pushing to this point on this side, so draw a diagram on this side. This is the moment, this is pushing on this side, so draw a diagram on this side. Okay, so this is a simple trick to draw BMD for the column. Now next, we have got free BMD, we have got support BMD. So just overlapping these two diagrams, we have got the final bending diagram. Thank you.